2 loaves. Same flour, same water, same yeast, same salt. One tastes incredible, the other tastes like warm cardboard. The only difference between them? You can't buy it, and it costs nothing. It's time! The most powerful ingredient in bread isn't in the recipe, it's on the clock. And most people throw it straight in the trash by rushing. Here's the secret. The moment flour meets water, an invisible factory switches on. Billions of yeast start eating the sugars in your dough, and they pay you back in 2 currencies, gas and flavor. The gas is the part you can see. Carbon dioxide inflates the dough like thousands of tiny balloons. That's the rice. But here's the twist. The rice is the boring half of the story. The flavor is the part you have to wait for. As the yeast work, they leave behind acids, alcohols, and aromatic compounds. These are what make real bread taste deep, nutty, almost sweet. And they only build up with one thing: time. Rush it, and you get a loaf that rises fine, but tastes flat and hollow. Give it hours, and the exact same dough develops a flavor you cannot fake with any ingredient. Same recipe, completely different bread. Now the pro move. Put the dough in the fridge overnight. The cold nearly stops the yeast, so it barely rises, but the flavor enzymes keep working in slow motion. You get all the taste, with none of the over-rising. Bakers call it a cold retard. While the dough rests, tiny enzymes are quietly chopping starch into sugar. More sugar means 2 things: sweeter flavor and a darker, crispier, golden crust when it finally hits the oven. Time literally changes the color of your bread. This is why great pizza dough is made 2 or 3 days ahead. It's why sourdough tastes like sourdough. The dough isn't sitting there doing nothing. It's building flavor, hour after hour, for free. There is a catch. Leave it too long, and the yeast run out of food. The acids get sharp and sour, and the gluten breaks down. The dough goes slack, sticky, and collapses. Time is a gift, but it has a deadline. So here's how you actually control it. Want it slower? Use less yeast or keep it cooler. Overnight in the fridge is the easiest upgrade you'll ever make. You're not working harder, you're just waiting smarter. Flour, water, yeast, salt, and patience. 4 of them are on your counter. The 5th is free, and it's the one that changes everything. Give your dough time, and it will pay you back. Subscribe, and let's keep